Welcome to WTalk, where we learn, create, and inspire. Today, let's make a fun and colorful 3D rainy day craft, perfect for school projects. Let's begin by taking a blue sheet as our background, which will represent the sky. Now cut out rainbow colored paper strips and arrange them into an arch to form the beautiful rainbow. For clouds, we are using soft cotton balls. Stick them near the rainbow and across the sky to make the scene fluffy and realistic. Next, we will create 3D hot air balloon. Take colorful paper circles, fold them in half and glue them back to back to make the balloon pop out in 3 dimensions. The basket is made from jute fabric for a natural texture. Stick it below the balloon using glue. Now let's add raindrops. These tiny white drops are cut from the white paper or can be made using thermocol or cotton swabs. Moving to the bottom, create green grassy hills using different shades of green paper. Cut them in waves for a layered look. Now add 3-dimensional umbrellas using colorful folded paper fans. You can use paper straws or twisted paper for the umbrella handles. One umbrella even has a smiley face to bring joy to the scene. Isn't that cute? Now add paper flowers and mushrooms to complete the scenery and make it more lively. And there you have it. Your 3D rainy day craft is ready, full of color, texture, and fun. Thanks for watching WTalk, where creativity meets learning. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing craft ideas. Until next time, keep creating.